Okay guys, we're going to be changing the oil in my Dodge, and that way you can see how quick and easy it actually is. So I got everything right here. Let's get started. Alrighty. Let's go pull the oil filter off now. It's right there. I usually come at it from the fender well. Just get it on the bottom here. Okay. Just like that. Let that drain out. Take one of these new jugs. And just so y'all know, this is there it is, MO-285. Try to do this one-handed. Once you get some oil in it, you can just run the clean oil around on the seal. Set it down. Just do as tight as you can get it by hand. I'll throw that drain plug back in. Don't do that. Jeez. Okay. Snug that down with a ratchet. Snug it down with a ratchet. And Take the first gallon. Alrighty, and then you would put your funnel here and pour it in. But I don't have a funnel, so I'm gonna try my best here. And then I put half of the third gallon in there and then start it. Let's see, I don't know if you can see that, but about half, because this motor holds like 2.8 or something. It's kind of a goofy amount. So change trip. Let it idle for just a minute. Kill it. Give it a minute to let it drain back down. While it's doing that, we're going to do some extra. Okay, so I got these Wix filters on. The large one is a 33528, and the small one is a 33616 water separator, and that's all it takes. And then I may make some new covers for these. These got kind of tore up last time, but I'll probably get some Coors Banquet or something. But that's how you change those. And then hear it kind of gargling a little bit. Building fuel pressure. And now I can check the oil. Okay, now as far as the fuel filters go, as long as they're not leaking, you're good to go. And of course, you know, fire it up. Make sure we got fuel pressure here. Yep, building just fine. Truck's running good. No check engine lights. Now I just got to clean up. Hopefully that gave y'all an idea of doing an oil change on your Cummins. At least the older ones. It's really not that hard. So comment if you have anything you'd like to add to it, or any criticism or anything like that. But otherwise, y'all have a blessed afternoon.